Today, we've got something super exciting to talk about: computer monitoring software. In particular, we'll be diving deep into the fantastic world of Sentry PC. If you're looking to keep a close eye on your computer activity, whether it's for home, work, or even parenting purposes, this software is going to be a game changer. But before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews and tutorials. We've also got a special treat for you in the description, a discount coupon code for Sentry PC. So, stick around until the end to grab that incredible offer. Now, let's talk about Sentry PC and its amazing features and benefits. 1. User-friendly interface. Sentry PC boasts an intuitive and user-friendly interface, making it easy for both beginners and tech-savvy users to navigate effortlessly. 2. Comprehensive monitoring. With Sentry PC, you can monitor every aspect of your computer's activity. From websites visited to applications used, it's all at your fingertips. This is fantastic for concerned parents who want to ensure their kids are using the internet safely, or for business owners who need to keep an eye on their employees. 3. Real-time monitoring. One of the standout features is real-time monitoring. You can view what's happening on the monitored computer as it happens. Whether it's a chat conversation, a game being played, or a website being visited, you'll be in the know. 4. Detailed reports. Sentry PC provides detailed reports and logs. You can track what's been happening on the computer, giving you a clear picture of the user's activity over time. These reports are perfect for analysis and decision-making. 5. Remote access. The software allows for remote access, enabling you to monitor the computer even when you're not physically present. This is great for parents who want to check in on their child's computer use, or for businesses with remote employees. 6. Content filtering. You can set up content filtering, which means you can block certain websites or applications. This is an incredible feature for parents who want to ensure their children are exposed to appropriate content, or businesses that want to increase productivity. 7. Stealth mode. Sentry PC can run in stealth mode, so the user won't even know it's there. This is vital for those times when you need to keep your monitoring discreet. 8. Support and updates. The Sentry PC team provides excellent customer support, and they frequently update the software to ensure you're always using the latest and most secure version. Now, I know what you're thinking: this sounds amazing, but how do I get my hands on Sentry PC? Well, I've got you covered. Check out the link in the description below to grab an exclusive discount coupon code. You won't find a better deal anywhere else, so don't miss out. And, of course, if you found this review helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more incredible tech reviews and tutorials. Your support keeps us going and helps us bring you the latest and greatest in the world of technology.